Beneath the plains of Cappadocia lies a hidden world, tunnels, chambers, and secret passages stretching down like roots. They say a whole city once vanished underground. Welcome to Derinkuyu. In 1963, a simple renovation revealed a shaft to darkness. Step by step, an ancient metropolis emerged. Rooms, corridors, even meeting halls, sealed away for centuries. Derinkuyu spans dozens of meters underground, stacked in levels like a vertical labyrinth. Air shafts rise like stone chimneys, feeding life into the depths. Families cooked, stored grain, and kept animals below. Soot stains marked kitchens, cisterns guarded water. Tight corridors kept heat and intruders at bay. Massive rolling doors sealed corridors from the inside. Narrow choke points forced invaders to crawl. Here, architecture was a weapon. Beneath the rock, people prayed and met in communal halls. In crisis, Derinkuyu could shelter thousands, some estimates say up to 20,000, until danger passed. Its origins are debated. Early phases may reach back to the first millennium BCE, then expanded across Roman and Byzantine centuries. Refuge from raids, wars, and the unknown. Volcanic tuff made carving easy yet stable. Ventilation shafts breathed fresh air through every level. Wells ensured water from within, self-sufficient, silent, secure. Derinkuyu wasn't alone. Cappadocia hides an entire network of underground towns, some possibly connected, an unseen civilization beneath the dust. When threats faded, the need for deep refuge waned. The city slept, until a chance discovery reopened its doors and rewrote our idea of ancient resilience. Derinkuyu proves survival can be an art and a masterpiece carved in stone. Above ground, empires rose and fell. Below, a city endured.